Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make authentic Ghanaian okro stew, and this can be eaten with fufu, banku, gari, eba. Okay, so all you need is your palm oil. That is the red oil I'm using. It's made from the palm tree. You need some onions and some stinky fish, also known as fermented fish. So you fry your onion and your fermented fish for about 3 to 5 minutes, and you pour your blended pepper, ginger, garlic and onions into it and let it cook on medium heat for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I continued to add my salmon to it. I was making it for my kids, so I decided to break all the salmon to remove the bones from it. But if you don't have kids, you can just put your salmon inside, okay? So in place of tuna, you can use your salmon and let it cook on medium heat for another 10 minutes. And then you put your meat, your stock, and your meat inside. Any meat you're using, just put it inside and you are good to go. So we will let this boil for another 10 to 20 minutes on low heat before we pour our okro inside. Make sure your okro is already boiled, okay? Yes. So our stew have been cooking for about 30 minutes now, and I put my spices inside. This is curry powder and some other spices, okay? Any spices of your choice, you just put them inside. This is my like African spices. Any spices of your choice, you can put it inside. And then yeah, the stew is finished. So we are going to be putting our okro inside. Yes, this is our okro. It's already boiled, so put it inside and let it cook on medium heat for another 15 to 20 minutes and your stew is finished. You can serve this with banku, fufu, eba, or any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Bye.